Yo, what's going on, boys? It's Solar Sky here, and in today's video we don't have like a gaming video or a tutorial type of video. Today we're gonna be reviewing Rain's 250 rands thing, uncapped data and stuff like that. Yes, I do have the SIM card in my phone right now. I don't know, should we probably, let me just have a look. It's screen recorder on. Okay, let's turn off my Wi-Fi, which is very sad. So, speed tests. Let's go to Ookla and do some speed tests. Remember, this is the 250 rand Rain, the one from the one where it's off 6 o'clock to 11 o'clock and the rest of the day it's on. So let's just run a test. This is at my house. I know at work I'll do another test and I'll put it up, so because I know it is faster at work, but at home let's just do this test now already. And I live on the West Rand. As you can see, the speed is decent, I guess. Not decent, it's like 5 megs per second. Let it keep running. I'll show you the speeds at my work. As I said, it's different. Upload speed, sometimes it doesn't even like measure the upload speed, but I do know the upload speed is there where it is right now, 1.6, and then it goes to 2, 3, 4, comes back down. And if you are thinking about getting 250 rand Rain so you can like do streaming, like become a live streamer and stuff like that, because that's why I got it, I don't think that's a viable option for the boys, because the speed is, even though it's fast, it's not, how do I say this, it's not consistent. Basically the speed is up and down, so some will go to 1 meg and then 15 megs and then 5 kilobits. It's very unreliable, but it is fast. And if you are thinking about getting it for like daily data usage, get it, because that's why I use it. It's actually amazing. So from here, let's do a test. We're gonna do gaming tests. We want to see how does this perform on, what's happening with my phone though. We want to see how this is working on games like Fortnite and stuff. So as you can see, I activated my hotspot, and now let's move on to Fortnite. Okay boys, we're on Fortnite. As Fortnite loads, I do want to say the situation, like I'm making FIFA videos and I'm enjoying FIFA videos, right? But now I'm not doing FIFA videos. I don't want anything really to do with soccer right now. I do still play FIFA every day. Like the situation that's happening with Chelsea, my football club that I support, it's my boyhood club, is a horrible situation happening there, and you can tell like it's bad because I'm not even making FIFA videos anymore. I don't even want to, like, you know, even though I still play FIFA, I still don't want to make FIFA videos. As you can see, Fortnite is loading up. There is Spider-Man, checking Epic Services queue. Boys, you can see it's not fast at loading in. This is also how it looks. Authenticating system login. I know this is usually when I'm connected to my Wi-Fi and I have something else connected also, it usually goes fast, it connects in fast, but now I don't know what's happening, but bear with me. You already know it's gonna be bad when the logins are slow. So yeah, for some reason Fortnite is more dead than what I thought. So we cannot get a solo game because there is no solo games going on, because this game is dead. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna load up a creative. There it's loaded up and then we're heading into it. This scares me because Fortnite has never been like this before. Usually you press triangle and around about 5 seconds you loading into a game. This is scary, but okay, we in a creative, we loaded in. As you can see, my ping is on 150, 155, so it looks reliable at this point, but I know that it's not really stable. As you can see, it's 150, 148. Let's start the game and see how it goes. Right now it's looking actually good. Like rain, 250 rand per month. Off peak, 140 ping, 135 ping, 132 ping. It's looking actually very good. Oh wait, how do you play this game? Okay, it doesn't look like it's dipping at all. Like it looks actually very good with that speed I showed you, the 5 something download and the 1 something upload. It's looking very good, boys. This is how it usually is on my Wi-Fi, but recently we upgraded to fiber, so my ping has been like 115. The highest would be 120, but I don't play Fortnite again, so it's a whole story. As you can see, I'm actually horrible at this game. But yeah, this is how it looks to be playing on Fortnite, which is weird because every time I tried it, it would usually give me like go to 500 ping and stuff like that. It wouldn't stay consistent on this ping, but it looks like it's staying consistent on this ping. It looks like it's doing a good job right now. So yeah, let's see the downloads. Okay, there we go. There it's going to 190, 200. So that usually happens when it does do that. 190, 200, it usually goes up to 500, 700, 150, stuff like that. You know how it goes. So I don't know, was it because I tried streaming with it or what, but that's how it was. But clearly it looks perfect right now. But that was the speed at home. I'm gonna do a speed test at work, take screenshots, and I'm gonna put it up in the video right now. As you can see, the speeds at work is faster than the speeds here at home. So it really does depend on where you live. So if you do want to go on to rain.com and basically search there for the coverage, and you see that you are covered by the 4G coverage, I guess you can. And also, as I said, I was hotspotting from my mobile phone. I know there is another deal with rain, with uncapped, where it doesn't go off, it stays on, but you can't hotspot, you can't do anything. And I think that one is just that's no good. But if you want to get it, you can go for it. But as you can see now, the speeds here at my place, it's actually very good, like for gaming, for Fortnite, FIFA also. You know, I play a lot of Fortnite, FIFA and Jump Force online, and yeah, it looks to be actually. I'm sorry I switched to the vlog style now because, well, something happened technically. But yes, as I was saying, it is really good for daily downloading and watching videos at work if you want to, or I don't know, I'm getting sick, boys. I don't know for like what you'd like doing with it, but it is really good for that. It's good for online gaming, and I just guess for self-use it's amazing. If you do want to get it, boys, just remember, link in the description. And also, when you do order on Takealot and miss the delivery, you can add this. Hold on. You can add this, the Rain 4G. Ooh, the Rain 4G, this baby right here, to your order for free. Not for free, for 1 rand. It's 1 rand. And you can order it. You can put the SIM card in your phone like I did and activate it. Rika process is simple. The way you Rika it is from your phone, basically. You just take photos with your ID and let the biometrics scan your face. They're gonna ask you to do this and this and ooh and ah, and then from there your thing will be Rika, and you'll do the payment, which is 250. And when you're done with the payment, big boys, that is when your thing is activated. I shouldn't say your thing is activated. That's when your Rain 4G is activated. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I'm so sorry for switching to vlog style, but I am vlogging also. I do have another video upcoming, and I hope you guys have a good day. Enjoy it, take it easy, remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time on So TV.